In this video, we are going to make this beautiful flower. Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty Swing channel. To make this flower, I am taking 5 centimeters length ribbon. Width is 1/4 inch. To make this flower, approximately I am taking 30 pieces. Now take one piece and fold the ribbon as shown in the video to form the required petal shape. Now give a heat touch up to join the edges. Now one petal is ready. Similarly do the other petals like this. In our channel we are done with different types of flowers. If you want, you can visit our channel and try it. Now all the petals are ready. Now take the round base which is having the diameter 1.5 inch. Yeah, shown here. Apply glue on it to stick the petals. Now stick the petals as shown here. You can share your opinions in the comments regarding this flower. To stick the second layer petals, apply glue as shown here. Now stick the petals to form the second layer. To fill the middle part of the flower, here I am taking yellow color ribbon. Width of the ribbon is 1/4 inch. Length is 50 centimeters. Now give a heat touch up to the raw edges of the ribbon. Now take the needle along with thread and give a running stitch to the ribbon as shown here. After completion of running stitch, pull the thread as shown here and join the edges and place it in middle of the flower and give a stitch to fix it. After completion of stitching, give a knot and trim out the extra thread. If you want to use this flower for multiple dresses or frocks, you can use it with brooch pin. This flower is well suited for hair accessories like headbands, hair clips, etc. If you like our video, please like it. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.